It's spraying! Look! Look at this! Ah!
No, move it.
It's spraying!
I'm gonna do it again.
He's gonna do it again.
Oh, that sucks.
Whoa!
This thing sucks.
Don't hit it toward me! Jeez!
Okay, that sucks.
Okay. Whoa, dude, you have anger issues. Okay, stop.
Alright, click.
Look at that. Uh-huh. Now, let's choose our next victim. Don't.
Stupid Sunny D.
Who likes fruit drinks anyway? Oh, come on. You will die.
Oh, you got me! The Sunny D.
It's still full and I'm gonna hit it.
Dude.
I got skills.
And then we put him in the trash can.
Ha ha ha.
This is next. Alright.
Well, I'm
Another Diet Coke and Canada Dry.
Again. I'm gonna nail this one. It's gonna go so far that you won't even see it. Oh, yeah.
Woo! I didn't do that. Alright, goodbye.
This is Canada Dry.
What the?
That kind of sucked. It didn't even pop open.
Listen.
Wait, look, it's steam.
Yeah.
This is serious. Oh,
Here we go.
oh.
I did not hit that!
You didn't even hit it. You just dropped it. Ah.
There we go. Made it worse.
There's the dead victim.
What in the heck is this?
This is seriously. Oh.
Do what I did. Try to like hit the very bottom.
Nick it.
Bottom.
Okay.
The-
The bottom or the top?
The bottom when you throw it in the air. Alright, you're gonna redo it because last time I did it, he did not capture it on video.
Dude, it still was intact.
Do it! Just
Yeah.
drop. Pretend to do what I did.
Oh, dude, I got showered.
Okay, there we go. It doesn't work because you missed it. That was awesome. You hit me! You got some on the camera.
Die.
Okay.
I'm gonna kill our victim.
That was the best thing ever. I can't believe you missed that.
Victim. Whoa! Oh!
Now, final up.
That sucked.
Alright, goodbye.
You totally screwed. Oh wait, it's still. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Uh-huh. Speak to me. Okay, got it. Now, switch hands. And... Bam! Oh, it's a
Hurry.
sprinkler!
Oh!
it's a spring.
Dude, hurry! Nail it!
Ah! Awesome. It's intact. Barely. I hit it.
That sucked. Jeez.
It is seriously destroyed now.
Alright. We are not brothers.
But we're close enough.
I think we're friends.
You shaking it up?
Oh!
Oh, dude, don't kill me.
What happened?
You have serious anger issues.
That is not anger.
Where did it go? Victorious. Oh, what the hell?